Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang Cherry Tigo crossovers kontra sa Zeus Thunderbells 25-18, 25-18, 25-19. Best player of the game si Cat Bell sa likod ng kanyang 28 points mula sa 24 attacks at 4 blocks. Wagi naman ang Petrogas Angels kontra sa PLDT High Speed Hitters 22-25, 25-19, 23-25, 25-19, 16-14. Best player of the game si Brock Van Sickle matapos nagtala ng 32 points mula sa 27 attacks, 2 blocks at 3 aces. Pinataob naman ng Creamline Calls Masters ang Chocomocho Flying Titans 25-16, 25-19, 31-29. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Erica Staunton matapos nagtala ng 19 points mula sa 17 attacks at 2 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang match team standings as of August 17, 2024. Akari Chargers 7 wins, 0 loss, 18 points. Signal HD Spikers 6 wins, 1 loss, 17 points. Creamline Calls Masters 5 wins, 2 losses, 17 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 5 wins, 2 losses, 16 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 5 wins, 2 losses, 15 points. Petrogas Angels 4 wins, 3 losses, 11 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 4 wins, 3 losses, 10 points. Farmers 3 wins, 4 losses, 8 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 2 wins, 5 losses, 7 points. NX Lead Chameleons 1 win, 6 losses, 3 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win, 7 losses, 4 points. Zeus Thunderbells 0 win, 7 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 20, 2024 na gaganapin sa PhilOL EcoL Center. Sa first game, maglalaban ang Galleries Tower High Risers kontra sa Capital One Solar Spikers alauna ng hapon. Sa second game, magtutos ang NX Lead Chameleons at Signal HD Spikers alas 3 ng hapon. At sa main game naman, maglalaban ang Farm Fresh at Akari Chargers alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.